Welcome, everyone. You are listening to our English podcast today. I am Lena. I'm really glad you are here with us.
And I'm Eric. It feels good to be here with you. Thank you for spending your time with us.
This space is for calm English practice. No pressure, no stress, just real conversation.
Yes, you can listen slowly, you can relax, you can learn step by step.
If you enjoy learning English like this, please support us. Like this video, subscribe to the channel.
Your support really helps us. It helps us continue these conversations.
Today, we are talking about something very familiar, something close to you, the place where you live.
Yes, the place you wake up every day, the place you walk around.
Many learners feel shy talking about their city. They know it well, but English words feel difficult.
I hear that a lot. People say they freeze. They do not know where to start.
They think their English must be perfect. They think they need big words.
But that is not true. Simple English works best.
When someone asks, "Where do you live?" your mind goes blank.
Yes, even though you know the answer.
That's why this topic matters. You already have the ideas. You just need calm sentences.
And you can practice them naturally.
You can talk about your city, or your town, or even a small village.
Every place is interesting, big or small.
You do not need to impress anyone. You just need to be clear.
Clear English builds confidence.
We'll keep things slow today. We'll repeat ideas. We'll react naturally.
Like real people talking.
Imagine meeting someone new. They smile. They ask about your place.
That moment should feel easy.
By the end of this conversation, it will feel easier.
And we'll build it step by step, starting from very simple thoughts.
So starting simple really helps. Sometimes just saying the name is enough.
Yes, like when someone asks casually, you do not need a long answer.
You can just say where you live. One short sentence.
That already answers the question.
But many learners stop there. They feel unsure what comes next.
They wonder if the other person understands.
Exactly. So adding one small detail feels helpful.
Not a big explanation, just one extra idea.
For example, you can say if it is a city.
Or a town.
That changes the picture in the listener's mind.
Yes, city sounds busy. Town sounds quieter.
Even that word choice matters.
Some people live near big cities but not inside them.
That happens a lot. Then you can say it is close to a city, not far away.
That feels very natural in conversation.
You do not need exact distance, just a feeling.
People understand that easily.
Another simple thing is location, like which part of the country.
Yes, north, south, center.
Those words are simple but very useful.
They help people imagine the map.
And if someone does not know your place, they still understand roughly.
That removes stress for you.
Many learners think they must explain perfectly.
But conversation is not a test.
It is just sharing information.
And reacting to the other person.
Sometimes the other person asks more.
That's a good sign.
It means they're interested.
Yes, it's not a problem.
If they ask more, you can add one more detail.
Slowly, piece by piece.
You can talk about size, big, small.
Those words are enough.
You do not need numbers, unless you want to.
And if you do not know numbers, that's fine.
Conversation is flexible.
And forgiving.
So the key feeling here is comfort.
Yes, comfort first, details later.
Because once people understand where it is, they often imagine how it looks.
Yes, they start forming a picture.
And this is where description becomes fun.
I agree. You can feel the place in your mind.
You can start with buildings, tall or short.
Old or new.
That already changes the feeling.
Tall buildings feel busy. Short buildings feel calm.
Some places have both.
That mix is very common.
You can say there are modern buildings and also old houses.
That sounds natural.
You do not need special words.
Simple adjectives work well.
Then there are streets, wide or narrow.
Clean or crowded.
Even one street detail helps.
It makes the place real.
Some streets are quiet, especially at night.
Others are always noisy.
You can share how it feels to walk there.
That is a nice personal touch.
For example, you can say it feels relaxing.
Or exciting.
People understand feelings easily.
Yes, feelings connect faster than facts.
Nature is another easy topic.
Trees, parks,
Mountains or water.
those words are very clear.
You can say there's a park nearby.
Or a river through the city.
You do not need many details.
Just enough to imagine.
Some learners worry about mistakes.
But small mistakes do not matter here.
The other person listens for meaning, not grammar rules.
If you forget a word, you can explain it another way.
That is real communication.
You can pause. You can think.
That is completely okay.
Describing a place is flexible.
There's no single correct answer.
It's your experience.
And that makes every description different.
So the goal is not perfection.
It's sharing a clear picture, one simple detail at a time.
And once that picture is clear, people usually ask one more thing.
Yes, they want to know what makes the place special.
Exactly. Every city has something unique.
Something people remember.
It could be a famous place.
Or a local tradition.
Sometimes it is food.
Food is always memorable.
You can say your city is famous for one dish.
That immediately creates interest.
Even simple food words work.
Bread, fish, street food.
You do not need long explanations.
Just one clear example.
Landmarks are also helpful.
A bridge, a square.
A tower or an old building.
People like visual symbols.
You can say it is the most famous place there.
That sounds natural.
Some cities are known for history.
Others for modern life.
Both are easy to explain.
Old means history, new means modern.
You can compare a little.
But keep it simple.
Culture is another good point.
Yes, culture shows daily life.
Festivals are easy to mention.
Music and celebrations too.
You can say people gather together.
That shows community.
Some places feel very social.
Others feel quiet and private.
Both are okay to say.
There is no right or wrong.
You are sharing your view.
That is what matters.
If you are unsure, you can keep it general.
General descriptions still work well.
For example, people enjoy spending time outside.
That fits many places.
Listeners will understand.
And they may ask follow-up questions.
That keeps the conversation going.
Yes, that is the real goal.
Not a perfect speech.
But a comfortable exchange, one shared detail leading to the next.
And once that picture is clear, people usually ask one more thing.
Yes, they want to know what makes the place special.
Exactly. Every city has something unique.
Something people remember.
It could be a famous place.
Or a local tradition.
Sometimes it is food.
Food is always memorable.
You can say your city is famous for one dish.
That immediately creates interest.
Even simple food words work.
Bread, fish, street food.
You do not need long explanations.
Just one clear example.
Landmarks are also helpful.
A bridge, a square.
A tower or an old building.
People like visual symbols.
You can say it is the most famous place there.
That sounds natural.
Some cities are known for history.
Others for modern life.
Both are easy to explain.
Old means history. New means modern.
You can compare a little.
But keep it simple.
Culture is another good point.
Yes, culture shows daily life.
Festivals are easy to mention.
Music and celebrations, too.
You can say people gather together.
That shows community.
Some places feel very social.
Others feel quiet and private.
Both are okay to say.
There is no right or wrong.
You are sharing your view.
That is what matters.
If you are unsure, you can keep it general.
General descriptions still work well.
For example, people enjoy spending time outside.
That fits many places.
Listeners will understand.
And they may ask follow-up questions.
That keeps the conversation going.
Yes, that's the real goal.
Not a perfect speech.
But a comfortable exchange, one shared detail leading to the next.
So many words came up naturally.
Yes, it's a good moment to slow down,
And look back at them together.
just to make them clear,
Not to memorize.
only to recognize.
One useful word was city.
A city is a large place.
Many people live there.
Many buildings, too.
Another word was town.
A town is smaller than a city,
It often feels quieter.
more personal.
We also used neighborhood,
That means a small area inside a city or town,
where people live close together.
and see each other often.
We talked about busy,
Busy means many people and much activity,
lots of movement.
lots of sound.
We also used quiet,
Quiet means calm,
less noise.
less rush.
Another important word was friendly.
Friendly people smile.
They help.
They talk easily.
We also said local,
Local means from that place.
local food.
Local people.
We mentioned daily life too.
That means normal routines.
Work,
Family,
free time.
simple things.
These words are enough.
You don't need more.
You can mix them easily.
My city is busy but friendly.
My town is small and quiet.
Very natural sentences.
Now it's your turn to try.
Just one sentence is enough.
Describe your city or town.
Use simple words.
No pressure.
No perfect English.
Just real English.
And keep listening, because with practice, these words start to feel normal.